I'm going to show y'all how to use this to fix this lace today. Hey y'all, it's your girl DéjaNikira. So I was making this wig and I was bleaching the knots on the lace and messed around and it bled too far. So I'm going to use this eyebrow brush spoolie type of tool and just go in with black dye, and I'm going to do a flip method. So I take the brush end and I stroke the hair backwards and rotate my hand to comb the dye through. So since I already bleached the knots, I did not want to get dye on the lace and do like a double process. So doing this method ensures that you get all the strands, but as neatly as possible. Using a rat tail comb, I'm just going to go in and part the hair in small sections. And I'm just going to go through in any spots that need touching up. I'm just going to keep doing the flip method, brush, flip and comb, brush, flip and comb. So I'm just going to continue to do that. And you don't want to press too hard because that's how you get the dye on the knots of the lace, and you do not want that. That defeats the whole purpose of doing this method. So brush, flip, comb, brush, flip, comb. It's way easier than trying to water dye, dip only the roots of the hair. So that's like sticking the frontal end in. It's just, I've seen so many videos and I just found this to be the easiest and actually was pretty quick and the most effective way possible to fix this very common problem. Some people leave it with the kind of blonde roots, but that looks absolutely stupid. So luckily this wig was a black root wig already, and I already had black dye out from a previous wig, so it was more so just like using the excess dye. But it doesn't matter if it's a dark root wig or if it's a neon colored wig. All you have to do is go in with that dye and this will work fine. Honestly, if it's a neon or different colored dye, different colored wig than the root, then you don't have to be as careful as this. But because this is a dark rooted wig with a colored hair, you just want it to be more precise, more seamless. And the benefit of the comb is that it helps comb the dye through the hair without leaving a harsh line of demarcation. So here you can see how fixing it with the dye looks way more better, way more neater, way more cleaner than leaving just those blonde roots. That looks just trash. I'm just gonna do this along the hairline. I did bleach the knots of the lace pretty far back because this is a full lace wig, but the bleach didn't seem to go through the rest of the hair further back in the wig. I think it's just the way I had the wig laying on the table. That's the reason why the bleach bled through the front of the hairline so much. So I'm just gonna go through and fix that, let the dye process, and then rinse it out and style this wig. Now that the touching up process is finished, I'm just going to go in with my rat tail comb and I'm just going to comb the roots of the hair upwards just to make sure that all the strands are covered with the black dye and that there's no harsh lines of demarcation between the roots and where the red hair starts. So that's it, guys. This wig is fixed. Don't worry, you ever make a mistake, there is a way to fix it, and I got y'all. Be sure to subscribe, like, share, comment, thumbs up, and like always, stay cute and stay blessed, y'all. Till next time. Bye.